Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. I want to thank all 687 subscribers. The channel has grown nicely and appreciate all you guys tuning in. So, wanted to mention that I received some feedback that the videos were kind of jumbled up and not really in sequence. So, I wanted to point out this playlist tab. Organized all the themed videos by playlist. So, you'll see here ServiceNow Kingston or guided tours or something called certification exam prep for all you guys that are doing interviews or maybe taking the certification exams this month. Um, Today, what we're going to talk about is how to get started with ServiceNow. So if you're new to ServiceNow, ServiceNow is, I believe, the only cloud provider out there that offers you a free instance to play with for an unlimited amount of time, as long as you actually work within your personal development instance. Meaning that after a certain amount of time, the instance will be wiped, and then you have to reboot it or wake it up is the term that they use. So what I'm going to show you today is how to sign up for a developer instance. Actually, sign up for an account and then get the developer instance. So you're going to go to developer.servicenow.com, and then you're going to click on register right here, and it's going to bring up a registration screen. Once you fill that out, then you're going to have this thank you and check your email message appear. Then you'll go into your email, click verify email. Then you go ahead and click sign in. And then when you sign in, I'll just flip back here, take you to this here screen, which gives you the sign-on credentials or asks for your credentials and your password. And then it'll bring you in, and the first time you'll see the ServiceNow Developer Agreement. So we'll go ahead and click through that, the X. Let's see here. Oh, no, we won't. Let's see here. Can we accept by scrolling to the end? Are you sure? No, I don't. Sorry about that. Well, that's good that I pointed that out. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom and then click this checkbox right here and submit. And then it's going to ask you what best describes me. I'm an independent developer, and what do I want to do? I don't know, maybe all these things: build an application, sell an app, certified partner, other, so I'll put down education, educate others. How about that? Maybe that's what I want to do. Maybe I don't want to sell the app or build one for my company, right? So I'm going to put in here US. I'll put in all the other stuff. Okay, tell us more. Love the platform. Yay. All right. So now we want to get what's called our own instance. But first, before I do that, just wanted to point out that ServiceNow is really awesome because they have learning plans, courses, all this documentation and stuff. Just love the product. So we'll do learn training and then training plans. I want to show you both of those. So here's just some great training where you can build your first app, do some scripting. And if you don't know script, that's one of the great things about this platform is that you don't need to know script to build applications. So it's just wonderful. And I'm no expert on script myself, but they do give you great examples of scripts that you can use in the past, that have been used in the past, and you can use going forward and curate them. And one of the great things also is the ServiceNow community. So if you want to interact with other people that are out there, you can go to the community, and you can sign in and then tell people whatever issue it is that you have. And then other people will chime in and they'll give you suggestions on how to remedy your issue. And we'll go over to learning plans. So it's really organized nicely here. So you get for newbies, you got your administrator, developer, technology partner program. So, and all these help if you're doing the certification track too. So I feel that they're properly aligned here, so that way it'll really help you out, not only at your place of work, but also if you want to obtain the certifications too. So now going back here, if I want to get an instance, I'm going to click on request instance. How will I use this? I'm just going to say to educate others, and then click I understand. And then you can select which version you want. I tend to go the latest one, but maybe your organization is on Istanbul, Jakarta, whatever. So maybe that's what you want to pick. I'm going to click Kingston. And this might take a little bit for it to wake the instance up, or let's see here. We're going to click on Manage. And what I'll do is click on the link. And if I want to see, let's see here, reset the admin password, process the request because I didn't see it before. So your username is always going to be admin to start out. And then they're going to give you this password right here. Just going to cut and paste that in. And that will establish my session. And then here it is. This is your instance. You could go through the guided setup. And again, they even have sort of like this hands-on training within the platform, which makes it a lot easier for you. And again, as long as you're active in the instance, it's going to tell you right here, you're going to have 10 days of remaining activity. So as long as you're active going into the instance, now sometimes what will happen is you'll come back here after, I don't know, maybe like 24 hours or so, and it'll say that the instance isn't active. So you see like a little red X here. All you have to do is wake it up, and generally what will happen is your screen will refresh, and then it'll ask you, do you want to wake it up, yes or no? And when you hit yes, it's going to cycle through. There's going to be a little circle that gets like a red outline, and the red outline will determine like the percentage, and it'll give you a number inside with the percentage sign on how much progress has been made towards waking it up. And generally it's pretty fast. It'll only take a couple minutes for it to wake up. So those are a couple of great things. If you're getting started, please get your own instance, work with the tool. It's really going to help you out at work, and then also, like I said, if you're going for those certs too. My name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we've just unlocked the power of ServiceNow.